Hey everyone, in this article we are going to learn how to create a graph on Google Sheets. You can also have a look at a detailed article on our website mahadees.com. The link is in the description. First of all, you need to select a data range for the graph. Then go to Insert, select Chart and adjust its size. Now let's create x-axis. Select the data range that you want to show at the x-axis. Hit OK, and here you go. You can also customize the chart as you like. You can also change the chart type.
Hey, thanks for watching the tutorial at Mahadees.com. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel to get ass-saving tips and tricks about your IT problems. But don't forget to visit Mahadees.com to get in-depth tutorial. Link is in the description.